Not with me, why?
Okay.
We'll walk home.
Guaranteed this time?
Oh yeah, huh? Take us home. It's like 92 minutes. Come on.
Just because they sell it doesn't mean that they guarantee it.
Five. No parachute, no! Oh!
Yes!
Yes! It worked! There goes the recovery crew. Okay, here we go. It's from 5, huh? Oh, wow.
Come on.
Yes!
Oh, no! Oh! The parachute didn't open.
It looks fine. Launch it again. It's fine.
It does have a little bit of a...
It's fine. Here, hold that. I'll fix it.
It's got kind of a bend in it too.
Toilet paper. That's all it is.
Hey, screw it, let's do one more time.
That's what I'm saying. Screw it. Let's do it.
One last ride for this thing.
It's hot water.
It's like a firework. Here.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Yeah.
We don't walk away. Left.
Yo!
Left. And we don't walk away. Jason, turn around. Turn around. Your numbers. You got it. Jason, keep going. Turn around now. Lower.
Okay, that one was a little bit too loose. Okay, we'll try that one better next time.
Do we have another one?